I worked in maintenance for 12 years and then went into research and development, and I started in 1955, so you figured that up, I can't add. The 12 by 12 part from Japan was just grass looking. It was white, and that's all they made. They had clips on it where you could clip it together and make a doormat, but the pieces were only 12 by 12. So it wasn't a problem to make that because you could put it in a mold and make it. But you couldn't make that continuously on an extruder. The managers threw a piece about 6 by 6 down on the desk, says, "Do y'all think y'all can make it?" So there I was with 44 people and 4 people that had never messed with it. That was the start of it. Well, we first got our polymer from on railroad cars, and then we would take the box and have it vacuuming it over to the extruder. There we would mix dye to it, and then as it came out off of the drum, we had fingers to strip it out, and then beat it with a press and make it look like grass, and then let it be cut and gone into doormats, and 3 foot by, I believe it was 18 inches. And you'd run it for an hour and it would break. You'd run it for 2 hours and it would break. We'd patch this and patch that. Me and Jerry and Jack got it going. As we started off, we just made green doormats. And then we only made green because we was only selling doormats. But then we got orders from St. Louis that we had to put daisies in one corner of them. So we started putting daisies in with a heat gun, and extruder was running 3 foot a minute. And we were selling them as fast as we could make them. Doormats that they have now are so much better than the ones that we made. And they clean your feet, they catch the dirt. I just don't see why everybody doesn't want one. It's just something that I did a long time ago that is still on my mind, and I just, I love it. I love it. That's my life.